What's good, everyone? Today we're diving into something truly exciting, the completely redesigned 2025 Škoda Enyaq. Now listen up, because this isn't just another electric SUV update. With over 250,000 units already on the road, Škoda has taken everything that made the original great and pushed it into the future. The first thing that grabs you is that striking new face. Gone is the traditional grille, replaced by what Škoda calls the tech deck face. It's this gorgeous glossy black panel that houses all the sensors while giving the car a premium look that rivals luxury brands. Above it sits this incredibly cool LED light band with vertical elements they call eyelashes. At night it looks absolutely spectacular. Pop the hood and you've got choices. The Enyaq 60 brings 150 kilowatts of power and a 63 kilowatt-hour battery, but the sweet spot? That's the Enyaq 85 with its meaty 210 kilowatt motor and larger 82 kilowatt-hour battery. Want maximum capability? The 85X adds a front motor for all-wheel drive grip. Let's talk range, because this is where things get really interesting. The new Enyaq will cover over 590 kilometers on a single charge. That's proper long-distance capability. And when you do need to plug in, the 175 kilowatt charging means you're looking at just 28 minutes to go from 10 to 80%. Road trip ready? Absolutely. Inside, Škoda has seriously upped their game. The new Lodge interior theme uses materials made from recycled fishing nets and old carpets. Or you can go fancy with the Eco Suite option featuring leather tanned using olive leaves. Either way, you're getting a cabin that feels properly premium. Tech-wise, you're looking at a clean, modern setup with a 13-inch central display and a 5-inch digital cluster. The new My Škoda app is a game-changer, giving you access to over 800,000 charging points across Europe. It'll even let you park the car remotely using just your phone. Welcome to the future, folks. Space? The Enyaq has tons of it. We're talking 585 liters of cargo room with the seats up, expanding to a massive 1,710 liters when you fold them down. That's proper family car territory. And because it's a Škoda, you get all those simply clever features like the ice scraper in the tailgate and umbrella in the door. Standard equipment is seriously impressive. Every Enyaq comes with heated front seats, 3-zone climate control, and advanced driver aids like predictive cruise control and traffic jam assist. The LED matrix headlights are available across the range, and they're clever enough to avoid dazzling other drivers while keeping your path perfectly lit. Starting at €44,000, the new Enyaq isn't trying to be the cheapest electric SUV out there, but when you look at what you're getting, the range, the tech, the space, the quality, it starts looking like serious value, especially compared to premium branded alternatives costing way more. So what's our take on the 2025 Škoda Enyaq? This isn't just an evolution, it's a statement. Škoda has created an electric SUV that can compete with the best while maintaining its practical, value-focused DNA. The striking design, impressive range, and advanced technology make it a compelling package for anyone looking to go electric. That's a wrap on our look at the new Enyaq. If you want to see more reviews of the latest EVs, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.